Look at these puppies, y'all. They're getting so big. They literally was just born like 3 weeks ago. They're so young. Hey, why are you standing like that? What's wrong with your hips? What's wrong with your hips, little person? I'm finna pick you up. You're getting picked up. What's up, y'all? I've held all 3 of the puppies. This is the smallest one. His sister, the one that's got the jacked up hips, she's polydactyl, which means it's more common in cats. That baby smell good. It's more common in cats. Basically, since they are big dogs, sometimes they're born with 6 toes. The back ones are normally normal if they have like an extra pinky, but on cats, if they have extra pinky in the front, they get big, like really big. My aunt had 2 of them. I think it's a breed, I don't know, or just a defect. Anyways, he jumped off a porch. Mink, which is was her black one. He jumped off a porch and he hit the ground. He went from a fat black cat to a black panther. Drunk as crazy. Now, their mom is huge. She is the second biggest out of the 3 Anatolian Shepherds that my father-in-law has. So that's pretty cool. I'll be right back. I'm trying to make these small short clips so I can put them in one thing and we call it a day. All right, y'all, I'm back again. I haven't been here to the farm in a long time. I haven't been here all year. My wife has been here 4 times. Last time I was here, hey girl, are you pregnant again? Are you pregnant again? What's up, y'all? So, sorry, I got blinded. Look at this. What's up? Allergies hitting them. What's up, y'all? They have not seen me in a long time. They remember me. They've had a bunch of new babies and stuff. That's cool. There's a lot of poop flies over here. Let me go see what these dogs doing. They probably like, I remember you. They gonna turn up every time. Relax. So here's Ghost and Spirit. Well, actually, Ghost and Sniper. And then Spirit is inside. Well, she's using the bathroom right now because she's the one that just had babies. But yeah, I don't know where the horses are. I saw the donkeys. The donkeys are on the hill. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. They over here with my wife. Well, maybe I shouldn't run because that might scare them and they might kick the fence. Yeah, Spirit just got on. She's very hormonal, so I'm gonna have to protect my wife, y'all. All right, we're Milo. You light-skinned mug. So this is Milo. He's a murderer. So that's the mama in the back, babe?
Zorro looks like Zorro.
Zorro is you. So this is Zorro. This is her son. Look at you. What you want to do about it, bro? You see yourself? Well, let me not, because he might. There's another male here. Is he going to let me touch him?
No, but you just try anyway.
That's why you killed somebody before. Dang, they look so good, though. The goats came straight up to me, by the way. So they're
not skittish.
Well, they were. They chilling now, probably because they had babies.
You need to be paying attention.
I am paying attention. We got 2. I see 2 of the male turkeys up there chilling. But all right, y'all, I'll be right back. So, Spirit is the girl, Anatolian Shepherd. She's wild as heck now because she's just had her babies. So she just came and jumped over me and my wife. She does this all the time with her brother and with their other brother. But yeah, Junk is funny as heck. The ghosts didn't come over here to you? Stone, come here, big head. So Stone, that's the male right there. Why are you doing all that? But yeah, all these girls is his because the 2 boys are gone. Come here, babe.
Don't come up to him. That's messed up.
Now they all look at her baby.
Messed up. Come here. You don't want me to touch you because
Cause you got a baby.
I got babies.
Cause all of them just came up to me. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to be all in her butt. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. Here's Milo. He only came back over here because I got my daughter. You're the daughter. Good job, Ellie. I didn't even know you knew that word.
You hear those turkeys?
And those are the turkeys. There's only...
Say gobble, 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 gobble. Say gobble, 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 gobble.
Man, that's funny.
Gobble.
Yeah, I only see two of the boys. I don't see the other girls, so I wonder. The British are coming. Go that way, y'all. Go. Look at Stone. Let me get over here, bro. That's all of them? You know what's funny? They smell like how they taste.
Go.
That is so funny.
Running. And her pants and her diaper are twisted.
Ellie. Go, Ellie, go. Go get him.
And she's gonna buy on the car. Elle, where you going? What's up? So we're gonna go see the horses. The donkeys are over here. They left the four-wheeler up here, so I'm walking to the four-wheeler. And everybody else is in the side-by-side. So yeah, my legs hurt. I done walked around a bunch today. The guineas are still alive, that's good. The chickens are still alive. My grandparents actually gave my father-in-law all of their chickens, so they get like 5 freaking dozen eggs every week. Oh, these are the dog beds. That's why they over here. I don't see Biggie or Tupac, so I can't watch y'all. Well, I can't talk to y'all and drive, so I'll be right back. Okay, here's the youngest. Don't get behind them. Don't get behind them too much. This is their barn that they live in. They got their own separate barn away from everybody. This is the oldest. What's up, girl?
This one ain't gonna do nothing.
Oh, going over here. You said, how old is she, Dad?
4 months.
4 months.
Going on 5 months.
Long bottom eyelashes. You said that. Which one kicked you before? This white one?
Oh, I've never touched a horse before, except that one time I rode on it. So
Oh, he trotting. Or she trotting. Where is Picasso at? I don't even see him no more.
Picasso!
Come on, babe. Go eat.
Come on, mama.
What's up, boys? What's up, y'all? Look at all this junk. Oh, you the boy. You look weird. I guess we collecting eggs, y'all. See what they got in here. Dad, you already checked the other one? Okay. See what the girls got for us. It's not that dirty in here. I thought y'all was dead. I'm happy y'all still alive. Why are you getting mad at me? Where your eggs at? Ew. There's a bunch in here. Don't talk about the girls. They weird. Alright. So, one of my girls from the last videos, that right there, that boy, that is Tupac. I don't see Biggie out here. Yes, he is. Biggie is that big black one right there with a goat. And these ducks and geese, they probably gonna attack me. Hopefully they don't. They are trying to run the chickens off because they live in that pond right there. I have 6 or 7 eggs in my pocket. And they bullying the chickens. They might be hungry. This is literally, sorry y'all, this is literally the Untitled Goose Gang. You run after me, I'm gonna eat you. Pay your taxes. Pay your taxes. Just don't try to walk. They make it so funny coming out here messing with these birds, because they do not like when you come up there unless you feeding them. That's jacked up. Y'all are the pets. Y'all don't even do nothing. Oh, there's literally another turkey right here. Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? That must be one of their babies. Where your sister at? What's up, girl? Y'all, look at this man. You don't like it, look at Get your fade touch, bro. This is so funny. I ain't been out here in literally a year, almost. That's crazy as heck. They followed me up here. They followed me up here. We will brawl. Y'all really followed me up here. That's crazy. They really followed me up here. Get out of my lawn! Here is the other side of the cow farm. I have never been up this way since he bought this place. The guy that owns the cows has been cutting all these trees and stuff down for him because my father-in-law thought he had 14 extra acres back here. He actually had 26, so that's pretty sick. So literally all this is as far as I've been. I've never been this far. Dang, my camera actually broke. Oh well. But I just came back from that place. It's super deep, but yeah, we finna go back now. Look at Stone, y'all. He ready to go back into his little enclosure. Ain't that right? Look at this one. She gonna bite me. Freaky frog. They smell literally like lamb chops, y'all. This is crazy as heck. These ones, they're pretty new. Some of these are pregnant too. Like she's pregnant over there. She's pregnant. Which one? Yes, that one's pregnant as well. There's 4 of them, he said, that's still waiting. And obviously, y'all know the dogs. They still pretty. She's had babies already before. Yeah, you can tell by her fat head. What's up, mama? The boys are still up, so. They come out here. I think they come out here separately because they be fighting each other now because there's babies involved. Where's the third one at? Where's she at? She's probably on the other side. Are you rubbing your back? You can tell them Stone kids, they already headbutting each other. Stone just can't stay out their butt, man.
The token black person is?
A token
You ever
black
heard
person.
that? You ever heard that saying, Total
Yeah.
black person.
Don't bite the baby. No.
That's what
That's
she
him?
named him.
That's freaking
Okay.
hilarious. You're not happy you got caught, huh?
Mommy.
Is it my turn?
Oh my gosh, this dude.
Hmm?
This dude.
Guys,
Babe, go
this is the
on.
first time I'm shooting this. I'm having so much fun already. You ready, babe?
It's recording.
Y'all, it's time.
Stupid, man.
You like it?
Oh, yes! Oh, yeah! Good morning, y'all. I'm tired as heck. This vlog is a little chaotic. I was a little too excited. And I missed out on recording a lot of junk, but we had a lot of fun. I can't believe this tree is still smoldering. That was a gigantic wet tree trunk, and it's still smoldering. That's crazy. But yeah, me, my sister-in-law, and both my father and mother-in-law are up right now. And my youngest niece, well, my second youngest niece, she's up. But we had a lot of fun last night. We had a lot of fun. I'm probably gonna get home and record the intro on my my really bad camera, because that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. Super bad quality intro, and then the iPhone 16 Pro Max freaking video, I guess. Make it a little nice. But yeah, man, we had fun. We had so much fun, dude. We was all yelling. We had those ear pros in when we were shooting last night. It was awesome. It was awesome. That was the first time I got to shoot my gun. I bought that junk during tax season. I've never been to the range since. Got to drive the four-wheelers, got to feed the horses, got to drive the 4x4. It was cool, man. I've been wanting to do this all year, and I haven't been able to. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Peace.